There are many ways to judge how fast a car is. Acceleration is important. Being able to jump from 0 to 60 mph quickly is probably the most realistic performance benchmark since we actually able to drive 60 mph on most highways. But there is no better ultimate ranking factor than the top speed of a car. So here we are, the list of the top 10 fastest production cars in the world ranked by top speed. The Celine S7 is only the second American-built supercar on this list. Introduced in 2000 with a naturally aspired 7-liter V8 engine, the S7 was upgraded to a twin turbocharged unit in 2005. Rated at 1000 horsepower with the optional competition package, it enables the S7 to hit a top speed of 248 mph at just 2.7 seconds. One of the newest cars on our list, the McLaren Speedtail, was introduced in 2019 and it's considered a spiritual successor of the iconic F1. But that's mostly because it features a 3-seat layout with a driver's seat in the center. Unlike other cars on this list, the Speedtail is a hybrid combination of a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 gasoline engine with an electrical motor. McLaren says that the Speedtail is able to hit 250 mph, which makes it the company's fastest vehicle yet. However, the British firm has yet to release proof that the Speedtail is indeed capable of such speeds. The Ford Bugatti on our list, the Standard Veyron, is the first production car that surpassed the 250 mph mark. It did it back in 2005 when it put an end to the McLaren's long-standing record set with the F1 in 1993. The Veyron, fitted with an early version of the 8-liter W16 engine, hit a top speed of 253.8 mph on April 19, 2005. Its record stood for 2 years, but it was recaptured by the Supersport version and then by its successor, the Chiron. The Ultimate Aero is the car that briefly stole the record from the Bugatti Veyron until the Veyron Supersport came to take it back. SSC set its record in 2007 with a twin-turbo version of the car. The Ultimate Aero hit the top speed of 256.1 mph and held the record until 2010. The Ultimate Aero was discontinued in 2013 after several limited edition models, but SSC is now working on a new contender for the world's fastest production car, the Tortara. The Agera RS may be the fastest of its kind, but the Agera R isn't far behind. Produced from 2011 to 2014, the Agera R features the company's legendary 5-liter V8 engine capable of up to 1124 horsepower and 885 pound-per-feet torque. The Swedish firm used its car to set a handful of records for production cars until 2011, but these were eventually reset by the Agera RS. Although it didn't set a record of top speed, the Agera R was nearly as fast as the Bugatti Veyron Supersport at 260 mph. The standard Bugatti Chiron made it on our list as one of 4 Bugattis. Introduced in 2016 as a replacement of the Veyron, the Chiron retains the quad-turbo W16 engine, but power was upgraded to 1479 horsepower and 1180 pound-per-feet of torque. The Chiron's top speed is officially limited to 261 mph, which is a bit below the Veyron Supersport. The Bugatti Veyron may be 5 years old as of 2020, but it's still among the fastest supercars ever built. Actually, the record set by Bugatti in 2010 places the Veyron in 4th place with a top speed of 267.8 mph. This benchmark was achieved with high briefing up model called the Veyron Supersport. Bugatti built a special run of 30 cars called the World Record Edition to celebrate the event, but these vehicles are limited to 258 mph to protect the tires. The Supersport was also the most powerful version of the Veyron with 8-liter W16 V8 engine at 1184 horsepower and 197 more than the regular model. The Venom GT was introduced in 2011 and remained in production until 2017. Despite the seemingly long run, only 13 cars were built. Based on the Lotus XZ, the extensively modified Venom GT features a twin-turbo 7-liter V8 engine under the hood. Based on General Motors LS7 V8, the unit pumps out around 1244 horsepower and 1155 pound-per-feet of torque. The Venom GT hit its highest top speed in February 2014 when it reached 270.4 miles per hour on Kennedy Space Center shuttle landing strip in Florida. Although the speed was higher than the world record at that time, it did not qualify for the Guinness Book of World Records because the run was in a single direction. The most powerful version of Agera, the Agera RS, became the world's fastest car on November 2017 when Koenigsegg hit an average speed of 277.9 miles per hour. The record lasted less than 2 years, but the Agera RS still owns a handful of benchmarks, including acceleration from 0 to 200 miles per hour, braking from 200 to 0 miles per hour, and 0 to 200 miles per hour and back to full stop. Unlike Bugatti, Koenigsegg didn't build a limited edition version of the Agera RS to celebrate the record, but the RS itself was limited to 25 cars. The standard Bugatti Chiron is already among the fastest cars in the world with a top speed of around 261 miles per hour. But the French firm wanted to set a new world record, so it created an even more potent beast. Bugatti took the slightly more powerful engine rated at 1578 horsepower, added longer gear ratio to the gearbox, and crafted a reversed aerodynamic package that increases the car's length by almost 10 inches. The modified car hit a top speed of around 304.7 miles per hour on August 2.